Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'll be trading with my bot, and as an additional indicator, I'll be using Bollinger Bands. So sit back and relax. Let's see what the market has prepared for us today, and whether I can make a profit with the help of this bot. Leave a like on this video, and let's get started with trading. I'm immediately starting to work with the bot. First of all, I want to look at the AUD CTAD currency pair. The bot is showing me a sell signal, but I don't fully agree with it because I see an uptrend and there's also a bounce from the Bollinger Band. Nevertheless, let's wait and see the result. It turned out to be a very interesting trade. I thought I would need to use a recovery trade, but in the last minutes, the position closed in profit and brought me income. Excellent. Now let's see what else we can trade on the market. All right, guys, let's put the bot to the test. The currency pair is Swiss franc Japanese yen, and I'm entering a sell trade. The trend is indeed downward, plus there's a touch of the Bollinger Band. The lows are not being updated, so there's a bit of doubt here, but still, the bot signals a sell. Let's see how this trade closes. One minute of your time. I want to remind you about my Telegram channel where I regularly share educational materials, trading tips, and insightful articles about the Forex market. But for those of you who are serious about leveling up your trading game, I offer an exclusive opportunity to copy my trades directly through the platform's social trading feature. This means you can stay active in the market even while you're relaxing at home. My trades are mirrored instantly on your account, so you profit alongside me. If you want to know exactly how to connect to social trading, just send me a direct message. There are a few simple requirements, and this feature is available to everyone. My contact info is right below this video. Now, let's get back to the strategy. Today's trading session is turning out to be really exciting. In the last seconds, I managed to get the result, and that's great. Simply awesome. Another good signal, and I earned profit. Perfect. So let's not stop here and move straight to the next trade. All right, guys, let's keep trading. The next currency pair is Swiss franc versus Norwegian krone with an expiration time of 2 minutes. Let's see what the bot shows us. And it's a buy signal. Well, I can agree with that since the trend is quite bullish and the price is in the middle of the Bollinger Band. Overall, there's every chance that this trade will work out positively. So let's see how it plays out. Yes, today's trade is really interesting because this time the trade closed in the opposite direction. Well, I'll have to use a recovery trade. I'll look for another setup and make my decision there. All right, guys, the next currency pair will be Euro GBP with a 2-minute expiration. The bot gives us a buy signal, so I'm entering the market on a buy. I can't say I fully agree with this setup, but still, the trend is upward, just not the best entry point. The price hasn't touched the Bollinger Bands yet, so there's still a step left for the price to push itself a bit higher. Well, the Bollinger Bands are expanding, which indicates momentum. Perfect. Let's wait for the result of this trade. Unbelievable. Once again, in the very last seconds, my trade closed against me. Such a pity. But since my balance doesn't allow me to open a second recovery trade, I need to carefully pick the next currency pair. Well, I decided to stick with the same pair and open a recovery trade. Of $850, this time going short. I'm using the reversal tactic, so let's see how this plays out. What I'm looking for now is a reliable resistance level. I can see that the price hasn't reached it yet, but it should work out well because the Bollinger Bands have already been touched, and the price reacted from the support level. There's clearly a seller's interest zone, and I expect the price to move in that direction. So let's wait and see how this trade will close. Hooray, the trade closed in profits, and that's great because it was a really serious amount at stake. Nevertheless, this trade saved my position in today's trading session. Well, guys, let's look for one more early setup and try to finish this session on a strong note. All right, guys, I took a short break. Let's take a look at the Euro USD pair now. The expiration time is 2 minutes and the bot shows me a sell signal. I immediately enter the market because I can see a horizontal level from which the price might react. There's also a strong downward movement that the market is following with lows being updated. So there's a good chance the market will go down. But we shouldn't jump to conclusions. Let's watch how the trades close during this session. Let's see how this option will end. Great, the trade closes in profits, and I'm really happy with the result, guys, because this bot has saved me more than once, especially when I don't have time for a full market analysis. I always rely on this bot for help. So give this video a like, use the bot, link is in the description, and I wish you great profits. See you, everyone.